Hi everybody, Isabel here. Thanks for watching. Today we'll be staying at the Marriott Residence Inn in Poughkeepsie, New York. I was super surprised with this gym. They even had a Peloton bike. The pool at the Residence Inn was nothing special, just a regular hotel pool. The complimentary breakfast was pretty standard. They had some hot items, cereal, fruit, stuff like that. This Marriott had a really cute patio. They had a grill, a fireplace. I didn't get to use it this time, but I will next time I'm in town. The kitchen was very well equipped. If you're staying for a few days and you want to cook or heat up some food, this is the perfect place for you. The room does sleep 4 since the sofa converts into a bed. Thank you for watching everybody. Until next time, bye.